battery up to switch on it, but in non-conforming, nothing. Yeah. That is what I'm saying. That is what my two oldest off the boat. Harris Associates did the job. I was happy to have it. Really? We had a round of it. So they had a switch on it. We wired the whole thing, the next $5 was back in the water.
It's not turning it.
Thinking about it, we might have to discuss it.
We're gonna put in some more.
Yeah, we're
Okay, being 7:30, we'll open this meeting of the Board of Selectmen. And the first thing we have on our agenda is approval of minutes. Have a motion.
Mr. Chairman, I move to approve the July 2nd, 2001 regular minutes as written.
Motion made, do we have a second?
Second.
Second, motion made and second. Any further discussion? Mr. Rupp?
Yes, I have a question and a comment. I noticed at last meeting, against my objections, you went into executive session and discussed the town administrator's contract, and you came out into open session, and which I did not believe at that point. I was under the impression you were coming back into open session. However, I do have a question that you said that the town administrator's salary will be $84,875 for physical two. What does that represent as a percentage? I noticed you put the percentage down that you receive in 03 is 2.5%.
To the best of my knowledge, it was 6.1, but I'm not positive.
Again, I other than state that I'm very displeased with the process. Obviously, I want that noted that I strongly object to the process the way it was done. That's all.
So noted. Any further discussion? Hearing none, all those in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Thank you. Correspondence.
That's just for regular session. Executive session, I can't vote on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I need another motion. Mr. Chairman, I move to approve the July 2nd, 2001 executive session minutes as written.
Motion made, do we have a second?
Second.
Second. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Abstained? 4-1. Thank you. I'm sorry, 3-1. Yes, oh, by the way, just as a note, Mr. O'Leary did inform us he would not be with us this evening, so I'm here. Correspondence, would anyone wish to see anything? If not, we can submit to Linda. Thank you. Actually, the one I was going to look at, the master plan. Okay, next on our agenda, we have legal bills for June 2001. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mr. Young.
Mr. Chairman, number one, each member received their own individual copy of the master plan review for updated purposes.
Thank you. Let that this evening.
I was bringing that up again under old master plan.
That was fine. Okay, Okay, legal bills, June 2001.
Mr. Chairman, I move to approve the legal bills through June 30. I have no question.
First one.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, I move to approve legal bills through June 30, 2001 in the amount of $5,261.23 as follows: Copman and Page, PC General 886.23, Copman and Page, PC Labor 1,375, for a total of $5,261.23.
Do we have a second?
Second.
Discussion.
For discussion.
I have two questions. The first page, it talks about some bylaw, there's some bylaw communication. Is that the charter adoption or amendment information, or is that the CPC bylaw that was passed in April town meeting?
Neither. That was basically part of the recodification book that we have
Okay,
approved.
all right. Well, that leads me to another question. Is there any update on the contact with the Attorney General regarding the CPC?
They have until August, I'm trying to recall which week in August, for approval. If it isn't coming back, we'll find the August. And it's the first or second week of August, except for that date.
All right. The second question I have on the second page, it talks about the granite contract. Several conversations. Do we have a problem? Something you want to let us in on? What is that in reference to exactly?
That would be in reference to, if I recall correctly on that one, it's probably on the consortium bidding for granite, amongst the three towns, I think, so across my head, I can double check that one. But all contracts, we generally have also town council for review for approval, so that's, my guess is a reason because we rejected the low bidder for not complying with the RFP process.
Okay, thank you. Question?
Further questions?
Yes, I have one.
Mr. Earl?
On the second letter, sentence here, bylaw qualification, research and draft opinion letter regarding zoning articles. And then further down, we have research and draft opinion letter regarding Attorney General review of town code. Is that the same?
It's similar, Mr. Rowe. What happened with the Attorney General's office is when they reviewed the code, was submitted the codification to them for their approval, they've noticed other issues in the code that may have to be addressed in October that we did not address. And what they have given is recommendations for possible October town meeting with some wording changes and such for our general code itself, not those specific. And those we submitted to town council as per now.
Have we heard from the Attorney General as far as the zoning changes that were made as to whether or not they're approved or?
It has, not as I spoke to Mr. Muldoon, they will be back, I think it's the first or second week of August, they have to approve them or disapprove them. If they do not approve them by that date, if I recall correctly, they're on that date.
Or they don't necessarily give us an answer,
If they don't give us an answer, my
then
understanding.
everything is okay.
Okay, any further discussions? Hearing none, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed? That's 4-0, thank you. Okay, sign the resolution, North Shore Home Consortium. Mr. Younger, would you like to state a few words on that?
Yes, thank you. This is a renewal of the mutual cooperation agreement we've got in the home consortium between various elements of Essex and Middlesex County. What it is a source where federal funds come in for communities to apply or to have utilized for low-income housing, moderate housing, special housing in the community, and it's a pool of funds. This is just a renewal notice for it. It's a 3-year renewal. It's been reviewed approved by town council, and it's been approved by the
Any further discussion? Motion.
Mr. Chairman, I move to sign the resolution and authorize the town administrator to enter into a mutual cooperation agreement with several North Shore communities to join the North Shore Home Consortium.
Motion made, do we have a second?
Second.
Motion made and second, any further discussion?
Yes.
Mr. Rupp?
What actually, if we sign any contracts or enter into any agreements, what does this do to us? What's the advantage and what's the disadvantage?
Well, the advantage is that you have the opportunity to receive federal funds toward any type of development that may be used for low income, moderate income, affordable housing and such. There's no cost to the community. We've been doing this for years. This is just a renewal application for 3 years. The disadvantage is you wouldn't be able to obtain funds. And should the state enforce their affordable housing statutes and denying grants, we lose an opportunity to have this type of housing put in your town, and also we lose the opportunity to possibly obtain some discretionary grants from the Commonwealth.
It doesn't commit us to anything financial.
No, none.
I asked that same question.
As Tom stated, this just allows us to participate in low and moderate income housing projects, as well as provide assistance to not only home buyers, which we signed a resolution about a month ago on that, but also rehabilitation activities, as well as new construction and rental programs as well. So there's no commitment on our part in terms of funds, but it does allow the community to avail itself of affordable housing opportunities for its residents.
I also did ask Mr. Younger if these grants are any type of a matching grant, and they're not. It's at a zero.
I said
Yeah.
it's operated on that.
Great. Okay, any further discussion? Hearing none. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? 0-4-0. Thank you. Do we have any signing to do?
I'll just pass, we all need to sign
Okay,
this,
let's
and
do
I'll
it.
just.
This is. Okay, next on our agenda, we have appointment of election workers, and we have town clerk, Mrs. Stats here, and Mrs. Stats does submit a list to the Board of Selectmen in conjunction with the Board of Registrars. Mrs. Stats?
Yeah, this is just the annual appointment of election workers, and in the memo that I already sent you, you have a list of all of the persons in Democrat, Republican, and unenrolled voters who have submitted their names to be election workers for the ensuing year. And the Board of Registrars met on June 25th, I believe it was, and do recommend all of these workers, and we can forward this recommendation to you for your approval. So according to the memo that I sent you, you can either appoint your own list of election workers, recommend or appoint the list recommended by the Board of Registrars, or if you take no action, then it reverts back to the Board of Registrars for appointment.
Yeah. Mr. Chairman, I move to exercise the following option for appointment of election workers for elections held between September 1, 2001 and August 31, 2002. Which would be